Wakey, wakey. Oh, ho, ho. Hello. More cooking with Josh. Got some chicken, some drumsticks from Wally World. About $1 a pound, well, less than $1 a pound for those. They still got the bone in them. I'm pretty good. So, welcome back. This place doesn't look quite as haunted during the daytime. It just keeps blowing me out with the stuff. I'm eating a cookie I stole from my mom. Yeah. So stay tuned. Wow. Okay. Here's Toby. Sleeping like a baby. It's a beautiful day outside. Oh, look how pretty it is. Look at the oil stains in the driveway, 'cause my mom doesn't want to get her seal fixed. I am cleaning the counter because yesterday it was gross for the video. I'm cleaning it up so you guys don't think we're totally disgusting over here. 'Cause we're not. We're only a little bit disgusting. We're gonna figure it out. So we're gonna put this here. We need to find a better spot for our pots and pans. It's complicated, and don't ask. So yeah, we're gonna get the big pan, big hot pan, big boy. We're gonna put some chicky baby in there. Some chicken. Cat and chick. Put it in the thing. Cooking 101. Ooh, no. Yeah, okay, that's enough. Captivating footage here. We got a bunch of blood and stuff in there. We're gonna rinse it out. Well, we're gonna dump it out and rinse it out, and then we're gonna mince it out. After that, we're gonna squint it out, and after that, we're gonna run out of stuff to rhyme. I don't know how much of it got in the last shot, but I rinsed it out, rinsed all the blood and goo out, and well, just blood. Added some water in there. So we are going to turn it on, and hopefully I'll clean the stove top a little better for next time. Besides that, we're gonna add some goodies. We're gonna start off with the, I don't know, Chicago steak? Nah, I don't think so. Salt. Salt's always a good place to start. Salty time. Mystery spice. What does it smell like? Let's find out. Yeah, mystery spice. I got some spices like years ago. I think they're still good. They taste fine. They smell fine. But it's like a mixture of different stuff. I think this is like the Jamaican mix, and maybe a little bit of this salt-free vegetable seasoning from McCormick. Not sponsored, but it should sponsor. Ooh, that smells good. So you got that onion, got that tomato, got that green thing. I was gonna add pepper, but I don't think I'm gonna. So we're gonna let it go. Oh, back there, got my light. But also, you might see this in a future video. Got my chopper. My chopper with the different attachments. Works pretty good, actually. Gotta clean all this crap out of here. Wow. Okay, so now I'm going to take the garbage out. Garbage back up. Nice and cool today. And they dump the trash cans over, like always. Let's go in and check on the chicken. Wow. Wash my hands. Wash my hands. In the kitchen sink after handling the garbage cans. That's sanitary, somewhat fairly. Not that much really. Sometime on me. Smells good. Smells good. Like it should. Pretty yummy. Pretty yummy. Oh, so tasty. Yum, 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 yum. While I am letting that cook, I'm gonna do some dishes. First thing I start by putting away the, I'm sure this is so fascinating, putting away the clean dishes. It's coming along. It's really pink in the camera. It's not that pink in real life, at least I hope. Let's shed some more light on the topic. There we go. And it still looks pink on camera more than it is in real life. I'll let them cook for a little bit longer. Here they are. And they kind of burned a little bit. I took them off the main burner there. They're still sizzling though. But pretty good, I think. Okay, so gonna make some bone broth. Got some potatoes. Wow. Gonna put them in. Gonna put them in the pot where I cook the chicken. Kind of burnt it a little bit, so maybe they're gonna taste like burnt chicken. Got an onion. Wow. Gonna make that bone broth. Cooking up them potatoes and onions. So here we got some sugar beet. I rinsed off in the sink. Probably should have rinsed off outside because of they're pretty dirty. Yeah, peeled that one already. We're in the process of peeling this one. Peeling it off in pretty big chunks here because I don't know, it looks like a weird alien. And also be sure that you like gouge out the cracks with your knife. Like I chopped into them. This crack I split open, chopped off this side already, but I'm gonna chop off this dirty bit on this side. And it's not a crack, that's just a thing, a hair. Well, not a hair, but a fiber. Got it in water here. Gonna cover it up. I heard that if you don't have it in water, then it can kind of get brown. I'm gonna leave it there for now because I wanna do other stuff today. Finished cooking the potatoes. They don't taste very good, so learn from my mistake. Okay, so got the sugar beet sliced up. Here's a little bit that was left over. There's the beef broth, There's the beef broth that I am trying to distill, I guess. Made some. Those look super gross, but those are eggs with those are bits of ice in there and just some bubbles from the eggs. It looks really disgusting on the camera, but it's actually not that bad. Okay, I kind of overheated the bone broth, so I added some more water again to hopefully save it. Turn off the heat on it, but yeah. Wipe off the stove tomorrow probably. Still got the sugar beet on a very low heat here, so just gonna let it kind of simmer during the night, I think. So here I have condensed through boiling the juice from the sugar beet, and also strained it, kind of. It turned into a syrup. It wasn't very good. Now you may be wondering what happened with the rest of the things that I cooked. Well, I just kind of ate a bunch of random stuff for lunch and dinner that day. The end.